Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Empire's Age of Discovery. To begin, set up the game board with the main continent and discovery tiles. Each player chooses a nation, taking their starting resources and 3 colonists. Place one of your colonists on your home continent space, ready to embark on your grand adventure. This initial setup is crucial for establishing your presence and preparing for exploration and expansion in the ages to come. Gameplay in Empire's Age of Discovery progresses through 3 distinct ages, each with multiple rounds. On your turn, you'll select one of 8 powerful actions. These actions range from exploring uncharted territories to developing your home colony with new buildings. You might also choose to declare war on a rival nation or engage in strategic trade to acquire essential resources. Each decision impacts your empire's growth and influence. To expand your empire, send your colonists to explore new discovery tiles, claiming them with your control markers. This grants you access to valuable resources and strategic locations. Simultaneously, focus on developing your home colony by constructing powerful structures. Buildings such as factories or universities offer continuous benefits, enhancing your production, research, or military strength, which are vital for long-term success. Victory in Empire's Age of Discovery is determined by accumulating the most victory points. These points are primarily gained from the territories you discover and the structures you build. Additionally, controlling valuable resources and achieving success in military conflicts will significantly boost your score. The game concludes after the 3rd age, and the player with the highest total victory points proudly claims dominion over the new world.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.